Imagine your car suddenly starts surging or even stalling out at the most inconvenient times while that check engine light mocks you from the dashboard. If you have run a scan and found the diagnostic trouble code P044D, you are dealing with a high voltage issue in your exhaust gas recirculation sensor C circuit. This system is actually pretty clever because it is designed to lower your engine combustion temperatures by recirculating inert exhaust gas back into the cylinder. Think of it like a cooling breeze for your cylinders that helps keep nitrogen oxide emissions under control. When things are working right, your powertrain control module manages this valve to let just enough gas through. But when that feedback sensor starts sending a reading that is way too high, usually over 5 volts for too long, your computer loses its mind and triggers this code. To get your hands dirty and fix this, you should first try a simple trick if your engine keeps stalling. Try unplugging the exhaust gas recirculation valve and see if the car stays running. If that does not work, you might have some carbon buildup or debris literally jamming the valve open or closed. You can pull the valve off, give it a good cleaning, and see if that clears the issue. Now, if unplugging it fixed the stall, you are likely looking at a wiring headache, specifically a short circuit to your battery voltage, or perhaps a short to the 5-volt reference wire. You'll want to grab your multimeter and check the signal circuit for that high voltage while the key is on and the engine is running. Do not forget to check your ground path as well, because an open ground will send your readings through the roof every single time. It's also worth checking for any physical damage to the wiring harness where it might be rubbing against the engine block. Taking the time to trace these wires can save you from buying an expensive new valve when the problem was just a simple broken wire all along. Keep in touch with your specific repair manual to find exactly where circuit C is located on your specific make and model, because it can vary quite a bit between manufacturers.